there, Heather Clontmaker with At Home Realty here, and today I am over at a new construction condo in the Point Lake subdivision. That is in Holland, over off of 112th. You can also get to it through Riley Ridge, but I wanted to take a minute just to show you this open concept condo. These are being built by T2 Construction. They're listed by Teresa and Rebecca from At Home Realty, and again, here hosting the open house. I will be here until 4 today. Great condo, would love to have you stop out, but I really wanted to show you this amazing island. I'm gonna step back just so you can get the full view. So look at this amazing island. So you have tons of counter space here. Check this out. Beautiful quartz countertops. They have the marble look to them. Nice deep inset sink. Great Whirlpool dishwasher. Let's see here. Back up a little. Great dishwasher. Stainless steel appliances here. And again, just an amazing island. White cabinetry, which we all know is every girl's best friend these days. Have beautiful panel detail here, shaker style. On the back side, nice overhang. If I were to guess, I have to scoot super far back to even be able to show you the whole island. I mean, you could easily fit, gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 5 stools there. If you're talking kids, you could really pack it in there. But again, just lovely, lovely island. Sink in the island. You can be doing dishes and, you know, watching the kids or grandkids play, or watching the big game, entertaining your friends. You know, nice shaker cabinets, black pools, subway tile backsplash. Just with, you know, not your standard flat. It has the beveled edge. Not sure if you can quite see that from here, but just really nice kitchen and totally open to the main floor here. So great little sunroom back there. Nice wooded lot, great fireplace with built-ins, and again, as you can tell, so much natural light here. There are windows in this room here. You can see the light from the bedroom there. You can see the light from the sunroom and from the living room. Yeah, just a really, really, really great property. I want to also take you over here to show you the shower in what's considered the master bedroom. Hi there, because this shower is one of those that, especially those of us with only one full bathroom right now, dream of. Check this thing out. So I'm not sure if you can get the idea, hey Ash, of how, just how big this is. But you have, I mean, gosh, I'm so bad at measurements, so probably, I mean, I don't even know, 8 feet, I don't know. Huge shower, awesome hexagon floor. I love the hexagon tile, like this tile, absolutely in love with it. You know, beautiful variation, textures are very, you know, varied in there. Also, you have this amazing shower head. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that is awesome. This is such a big shower that it's actually echoey when I'm in there, so I'm going to come back out. But just gorgeous bathroom, just like the island. Just real attention to detail here. Show you this. Trying not to be in it myself, but beautiful, you know, wood cabinets, and oh, there I am. Over here, this countertop. So also a quartz product, and just very beautiful with the marbling and everything. So those are just a couple of the really cool features here. Amazing shower, amazing island, nice open concept. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you are in Holland and you have been thinking of condo living, or if you have been considering building with T2 Construction, you are gonna wanna come out here, check it out. I'll be here till 4 and would love to see you here. Have an awesome day.